Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to show you a niche that you can go into and start earning over $5,000 a month from it. And that niche, yes, I'm going to tell you right now at the beginning of the video, is sports. So if you're in the YouTube success community, you will know that I preach sports a whole lot. And the reason why is because I am a huge sports fanatic, and sports to me just kind of ticks off every single check mark in which what makes a good cash cow channel niche. So with sports in particular, the reason why it works so well, in my opinion, is because of the 5 following reasons. And I'm going to be naming it one by one. So the first reason why sports works really well is because there's always trending topics within sports. Now that's like a front runner, everyone knows that there's trending topics in sports, but really think about other niches that you may mistakenly be going into. And recently I spoke to an individual and his niche was life hacks. Life hacks, there's not really trending content within that. Dating, there's not really trending content within that. Food, recipe, or fitness, health. Those types of niches which you might be into. Other niches I'm thinking about is like motivation, speeches. Those aren't really as trending as compared to sports. With sports, you have sporting events, you have new matches, you have trade rumors, you have people retiring, you have people making big plays. So with sports in particular, and as other niches as well, there are ways that you can capitalize on trending. Sports definitely fits the check mark of having trending down. So now the next reason why sports works so well within the cash cow channel niche is that it has power figures. So power figures are basically individuals that people recognize instantly as they see them. So examples is that if you run a tech niche, Elon Musk is a power figure for the tech niche. A Tesla car is a power figure of the tech niche. Apple products, Jeff Bezos, those are power figures within the tech niche. In sports, you have famous athletes, so many famous athletes that viewers can resonate with, and these power figures are a good way to get people to kind of capture their attention, to get them to click on their video. Power figures don't only have to be images also, they can also be part of your titles, in which if you use the word LeBron James in your title, that's a name, that's a keyword that people can resonate with. So sports in particular, there are so many power figures in all these kind of sports: golf, tennis, swimming, volleyball, basketball, football, soccer, all these power figures that you can use within your titles and thumbnails to kind of leverage these famous individuals to your advantage in attracting viewers. Now, the third reason why sports makes a good cash cow YouTube channel niche is because there's always fresh new content. Now, this ties into number one, in which content's always trending, but every single time I'm researching new topics for my channel, it's very, very easy to come up with new content because new content is always being released by blogs, is being released just because things are always occurring within the sports world. There's always fresh new content within the sports niche, in which I have like 5 sports channels, and I'll use the same exact content for all 5 channels just because it makes my life easier in researching topics that way. Now, the fourth reason why sports is a good cash cow YouTube channel niche is because, contrary to the trending content, there is evergreen content that you can make in sports as well. So one of my sports channels that's like over 3 years old now, it has videos that I posted 3 years ago that's still getting views today. And there's nothing cooler than posting videos today and still making passive income from it 3 years down the line. Better yet, as soon as I go in my 4th year, 4 years down the line, those videos I posted 3 years ago are still going to be making me money. So these evergreen topics, while there is a mix of trending content that you can be posting, you shouldn't neglect the fact that you should still post evergreen content as well. Topics like 10 athlete mistakes that you caught on camera, a video like that is evergreen, or 5 times as Stephen Curry shocked the NBA world. A video like that is evergreen. It is good to sprinkle evergreen content within your mixture of when you're coming up with topics for your channel. Now, the 5th reason why sports work so well is because of the relatability that people see within the visuals that are actually within your video. So I teach people like there's kind of like 2 different types of cash cow channel niches. In group A of cash cow channel niches, you'll have like generic topics: health, fitness, medicine, let's say finance kind of fits under there, make money online kind of fits under there. And the reason why I'm categorizing these all together is because the visuals that you mostly use for those types of niches, it involves like stock footage. And that's what I often see with these cash cow channels that are going into those types of niches. They use stock footage. And the thing that they don't realize with stock footage is that when I see a piece of stock footage, I see a nameless individual who I've never seen before in my life, and I really don't have that relatability. So again, The fifth thing that sports really nails is the relatability as the visuals go. Now, contrary to that group of cash cow niches that I was talking about, the contrary to that is niches like celebrities, sports, TV shows, and movies. So with these types of niches, you're using fair use content in which you're pulling short segments of famous celebrities, actual TV show clips, actual clips of sports games. And because of those clips, people actually recognize them. People actually relate to them. That's what improves the watch time for those two types of niches. So on one end, you have cash cow channels that are using stock footage. There's no relatability. But on the other end, you have cash cow channel niches which are using actual relatable images and visuals that people actually know. Like when I see a video of LeBron James, I watch it because I recognize LeBron James. If you're in a niche in which you're using stock footage, I'm not saying stock footage niches don't work. That's not what I'm saying. But what I am saying is that I do believe the watch time with niches that are using fair use visuals, those are a lot more relatable. They increase watch time, and if people are watching the videos longer, YouTube pushes the video into the YouTube algorithm. So by all means, if you're just starting off YouTube and you're wondering what niche you should go into sports. I think sports is a fantastic niche, especially if you keep up with a certain type of sport, whether it's soccer, football, tennis, golf, basketball, all those. I mean, a lot of people seem to be like they're after like a secret niche. I'm telling you straightforward and right now, sports checks all the reasons as to what makes a good cash cow channel niche. So once you've selected your niche for your YouTube cash cow channel, you're gonna wanna watch this video next on how I research topics to actually put into production for my YouTube automation channel. Go check it out.